So today we will start with basic of MATLAB. I thought without wasting time on making presentation, I will go on ChatGPT and from there I will show you the basics of MATLAB. So first of all, what is MATLAB? MATLAB is a high-level programming language and interactive environment for numerical computation, visualization, and programming. It is widely used in fields such as engineering, physics, finance, and biology to solve complex problems involving large amounts of data. MATLAB provides a variety of tools and functions for data analysis, algorithm development, and model creation. So when MATLAB was developed in 1980s and since become a popular tool for scientific computing. It allows users to write programs and scripts that can be executed quickly and efficiently, making it a valuable tool for data analysis and visualization. So how it is best for visualization? We can we can check our data by graphs and by customizing these graphs and performing analysis on our data. So in addition to its core functionality, MATLAB also provides various toolboxes that can be used to extend its capabilities for specific applications such as signal processing, control systems, and image processing. These toolboxes include pre-built functions, algorithms, and models that can be used to speed up development and analysis in specific areas. So there are toolboxes in MATLAB through which we can compute signal processing and digital image processing and like analog and digital communication, control systems, and much more we can do with MATLAB. So it is a wide field. MATLAB basically stands for matrix laboratory. Everything that we will treat as input, it will be considered as a matrix. Let's say I assign value 1 to A, and this will be a 1 cross 1 matrix. Everything that we will apply to MATLAB, it will be considered as a 1 cross 1 matrix, or what would be its dimensions. So it is no need to define dimensions like in other languages, Fortran, C, C++. So it is much more easier than other languages. So there are also in MATLAB there are also apps. Through apps we can use these apps too for our easiness, because by using these apps we can avoid from coding. The people who are unable to code are deficient of their coding skills, they can use these apps. Like there is app for noise reduction. By just a single click on this, you can get the signal that is noise free. And one more thing is that we can also generate code from these apps. After reduction, we can also get the code. So next is where to use MATLAB. I will search where to use MATLAB. Okay, let's try again. Where to use MATLAB. So I have the results of my search. MATLAB can be used in wide variety of applications and industries. Here are some examples. Like engineering, MATLAB can be used for modeling, simulation, and analysis of mechanical, electrical, and chemical systems. It is also widely used in control system design and analysis. So whenever we need to model an algorithm, to check the functionality of our algorithm, we can simulate it easily and analyze some mechanical, electrical, chemical systems. So it is also very used in control system. There is a toolbox on the name of control systems, toolbox, um, and approximately it has everything to do with it. Then we have finance. MATLAB is used in financial analysis and risk management, as it can be used for statistical analysis, time series analysis, and forecasting, and so on. Biology and bioinformatics. MATLAB can be used for analyzing and visualizing data in the fields of genomics, proteomics, and systems biology, and so on. Data analysis, academic research, image and signal processing. MATLAB has built-in support for image and signal processing. It can be used for image enhancement, noise reduction, feature extraction, and pattern recognition. These are just few examples of applications of MATLAB. Its versatility and wide range of functionality make it a valuable tool in many different fields. So next is what are the applications area of MATLAB? What are application areas of MATLAB? I'm sorry, it's already done. We will move on to next. What are the key features? Key features of MATLAB. So first of all, it will define MATLAB, and it has defined it as powerful programming language and interactive environment that is widely used for numerical computation, data analysis, and visualization. Here are some key features of MATLAB. High-level programming language. It is a high-level programming language, and moreover, it is also an interpreted language. And it is easy to handle debugging our algorithm because it is executed line by line, and those lines that are error-free they will be executed, and the line that has error will not be executed. And the variables for that error line we can access them at any time, and we can also check the variables are changing their values. So interactive environment is a high level programming language that is easy to learn and use, make it accessible to a wide range of users. Interactive environment. MATLAB provides an interactive environment that allows users to perform numerical computations, visualize data, and develop algorithms in a single interface. So these are its benefit. So it has built-in functions and toolboxes. MATLAB provides a wide range of built-in functions and toolboxes that can be used to perform various tasks such as signal processing, control system, and optimization. Large user community. MATLAB has a large user community that provides support, resources, and user-contributed libraries that can be used to extend its capabilities. Integration with other languages and tools. We can integrate MATLAB with other languages and hardware interfaces as well. Like other languages, we can interface it like C, C++, Java, Python, and many more. We can interface this with Arduino, with sensors, and take data directly into MATLAB and process this data by using techniques of signal processing, digital signal processing, digital image processing, control systems, and everything that we need. We can do this. Then graphics and visualization. MATLAB provides powerful graphics and visualization tools that can be used to create 2D and 3D plots, charts, and animations. So when what visualizations are best here, we can plot any signal that is 2D, 1D, charts, animations. We can show images, and we can perform image processing techniques. Then parallel computing. MATLAB provides support for parallel computing, allowing users to perform computations on multiple processors and cores, which can significantly speed up the computation time. So it increases computation time. There are some benefits and some disadvantages. Benefits are we can visualize data easily, we can perform, we can do anything that we want, but it is slow because after installing MATLAB, it becomes overall 21 GB or approximately 20 GB. So that's why it is slow. And according to our PCs, and the processing speed, iteration speed will also depend upon our how strong our PCs are. So these are just key features of MATLAB and popular tool for and it is a popular tool for computing data analysis and visualization. And then we will move on to advantages and disadvantages of MATLAB. What are the advantages and disadvantages of MATLAB? So first of all, like any other technique, any other tool, it has advantages and disadvantages. So first of all, we will discuss the advantages. Easy to learn and use. MATLAB is easy to learn and use, make it accessible to a wide range of users, including beginners. So it is a benefit. Extensive, sorry, extensive library of functions and toolboxes. MATLAB provides an extensive library of functions and toolboxes that can be used for various tasks such as signal processing, control system, and optimization. Then interactive environment. MATLAB provides an interactive environment that allows users to perform numerical computations, visualize data, and help them to develop algorithms in a single interface. Graphics and visualization. MATLAB provides powerful graphics and visualization tools that can be used to create 2D and 3D charts and animations. Large user community. MATLAB has a large user community that provides support, resources, and user contributed libraries that can be used to extend its capabilities. And then we will move on to disadvantages. First disadvantage is that it is commercial software, and the first parameter in its disadvantage is its cost. MATLAB is a commercial tool and requires a license which can be expensive, especially for individual users. So it is definitely expensive. Limited memory. MATLAB has limited memory compared to other programming languages, which can be a problem when dealing with large datasets. We can avoid this problem by using structures of our data. Performance. MATLAB can be slower than other programming languages for some tasks such as matrix multiplication due to its interpreted nature. So this is a disadvantage. Then proprietary software. MATLAB is proprietary software, which means that users are limited to the functionality and features provided by MathWorks. Steep learning curve for advanced features. While MATLAB is easy to learn for basic tasks, mastering its advanced features and toolboxes can be challenging and time consuming. There are some of the main advantages and disadvantages of MATLAB despite its limitations. MATLAB remains a powerful tool for scientific computing and data analysis, and its ease of use and extensive library of functions make it a popular choice among researchers and engineers. So there are some things that we need to know about MATLAB as a first impression. As I already told, everything in MATLAB is a matrix. MATLAB is an integrated language, does not need to define variables, no dimension statements, and has no packaging, no pointers. Programs can be run set by set, step by step, with full access to all variables and functions. And debugging is very easy because it's line by line execution. And where we have sorry, where we have either that line will not be executed and all the above lines will be executed, and we can check their variables, changing their values in command window, and also those that will be run, they will be displayed in our workspace. And that's it for today, I think. And next time we will talk about environment of MATLAB, and I will give you some basic introduction to the environment of MATLAB. Thank you.